Oil and gas drilling is a hostile activity. Billions of dollars are lost each year to non-productive time, and one of the major contributors is excessive shock and vibration. SoftRide is a cartridge-based rough drilling solution designed for retrievable and non-retrievable MWD systems. No need for your UBHO sub. The SoftRide cartridge comes with its own. With 72 positively engaged spline teeth, SoftRide gives you the most positive orientation available. This tunable stick-slip section can reduce the harsh effect of any potential stick-slip event. Wave springs and other internals not shown here deal with axial load to help mitigate shock and vibe. This axial section helps MWD tools to ride in a more controlled manner by decoupling from the bit, motor, and agitator. Our customers have indicated that the SoftRide design also creates a flow that goes from turbulent to laminar condition, creating less noise and less turbulent flow of mud hitting floats above the motor.